Guys, I just woke up right now and my face is a little bit, my eyes are still red because I just woke up, but I decided to film this video. Okay, so guys, before I go into actually what you can use on your body to maintain your complexion, I would just like to say a few things. Okay, even if you use a body maintenance cream or a lightening cream or whatever you use on your skin and you don't know the basic things to do, no matter what you do on your skin, you're not going to see results. Okay, so that is why I am starting out with body scrub. Okay, if you want to maintain the complexion that you've had using a lightening product before, make sure you get a body scrub. So if you cannot afford a body scrub, don't worry, I got you. If you cannot afford body scrub, please get this one. This one is going to do the same work that a body scrub is going to do. And even if you don't have money to buy organic cream or buy one expensive cream, if it is palm kernel oil you have, please use it. I have palm kernel oil with me. Trust me guys, like last year, beginning of last year, when I just finished school, I did not have money, I was using palm kernel oil. This was what I was using. These two things, not this particular glove but another one, this was what I was using. I will scrub my skin in the morning, scrub my skin in the night, and I will use palm kernel oil because I could not afford a body cream. So if you cannot afford a body cream, please get palm kernel oil or even get baby oil. Get this one. As in, there are so many ways you can take care of your skin. You don't actually need to go and break a bank to like buy one lightening lotion or something. When you can afford it, then you buy. But if you don't have the money, you can use what you have. Like, you don't need a lot of money to take care of your skin. Honestly, just scrub your skin, do the one you can do. When you have money, when you have landed, don't forget me, but when you have landed and you can afford, buy the things that you know you love and use on your skin. Another thing I would like to say is that even if you are using lightening, maintaining, whatever you are using those things and you don't like take care of your inside, it is going to affect your outside. So whatever you put inside your body is going to determine what you would look like. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I always drink water. Before I even eat food, I make sure I drink a bottle of water. Sometimes I add apple cider vinegar to my water and I drink it just to detox my system. So you need to like drink water when you wake up in the morning. So now let's talk about what you can actually use to maintain your complexion. The first lotion on my list is the Nivea Q10. People have been talking about this lotion and I had to like Google it and check the ingredients to see if it is safe and okay to use. And yes, this lotion is safe. It is safe. You can use it on your body to maintain your color. But if you are someone that is really fair and you get dark every single time, you can just add Moroccan argan oil to it. This Moroccan argan oil also contains jojoba oil. It is very good. This is what I have been using inside my oil and it is good on my skin. So you can use this. You can use this on your inside your Nivea Q10. Mix it together. Shake it whenever you want to use it and then apply on your body. Or what you can do is that you can get a little bit of the Nivea Q10, add some few drops to it and rub it all over your body and use it like that to maintain your color. Because Nivea Q10, even if it says it's going to lighten you, I don't think it's going to lighten you. That is just the truth. It will not lighten you. It will just maintain the color you have. And whenever you are going out into the sun, please use a sunscreen. You might not have to use Nivea. You can use any one that you have, but make sure you use a sunscreen. Like, it is essential. If you don't use sunscreen, you are going to revert back to how you originally were before. So there are a lot of things that you have to do to maintain your color. That is why most of us don't actually see results, because we are not doing the right things. Okay, so the second thing that you can use is the Egyptian magic cream. I'm going to put the picture on the screen so that you all can see. This cream is very, very good. Like, it is kind of scarce to get it in Nigeria, but I think you can order online. It is a very good cream and it contains honey and carrot oil. That is why I love it. This Egyptian magic cream is going to maintain your color. You don't need to mix it with anything. Just rub it on your skin morning and night. And guys, There is something I've been saying, I will say in my videos, I keep forgetting. Whenever you are rubbing your body creams, make sure that your body is a little bit wet, and then you rub your cream on top. It is going to help your cream to work very well. So make sure your body is a little bit wet when you are rubbing your cream. You are going to love your skin. Your skin is going to be moisturized, and the cream is going to work faster on your skin. Okay, so you can use the Egyptian magic cream to also maintain your complexion. The third body lotion you can use is the Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion. I'm going to put a picture on the screen so that you all can see. This is the essential healing type. You can use this also to maintain your complexion, and like I said, you can mix it with oil. You can use this one, or you can use almond oil. This is Skin Doctor almond oil. You can mix it in your cream and use morning and night. Like if you want a cream to work, you have to use it 2 times a day. Like if you want especially when you're using maintenance body creams, things that will not lighten you, things that will just make your skin glow and moisturized, you need, like guys, you need to use it morning and night. If not, you will not see results. That is why I said that in the morning time rub your cream, in the evening time make sure you bathe. And guys, if you don't bathe 2 times a day, please try as much as possible to start bathing 2 times a day. And if it is possible for you to get this thing, you don't need to use your body scrub in the night. You can just use this thing and use it to scrub your skin. Don't be among people that used to say, when I'm bathing in the night, I just pour water on my body. No, get this thing in the night time. You don't need a lot of time. Just wear this thing, put your soap and scrub your skin. Scrub out all the damage the sun has done to your body that day. Scrub everything out. Rub your cream, rub your oil, and go and sleep. If you continue doing this thing, you will notice that your skin will continue to remain the same color. Your skin will continue to remain even. It won't shift. Today you are dark, tomorrow you are fair. It is going to continue to remain the same color. So these are the 3 creams that I know of that are really good that you can use to maintain your complexion. So now I'm going to tell you guys about oils that you can use. The first oil you can use is the Beauty Series oil. This oil is really good. Most people use this oil as a base to premix skin lightening oils. And guys, a lot of you guys come to my DMs asking me how to premix. Guys, honestly, I don't know how to premix, but yesterday I premixed this lemon fresh lotion with almond oil. I remember when I was still younger, when I was in secondary school, I was using this lemon fresh, and this lotion, guys, this lotion was really good back then. It was really, really good, and since then I have not used it, but I saw it yesterday in the supermarket and I decided to get it. So I mixed this lemon fresh lotion with almond oil, and I used it yesterday night, and I loved how it felt on my skin. So I made a little bit of like a practical. I'm going to keep using these 2 things for 30 days, and after 30 days I'm going to give my review. So if this thing is really, really good, then I'll tell you guys to try it. But guys, I'm not asking you guys to try it though. I'm not asking you guys to try it. After 30 days I'm going to give my review on it, so I will tell you guys if you can use it or not. And I also added concentrated vitamin C to the mixture. I'm going to put a picture on the screen because I actually mistakenly threw it away. So I mixed this lemon fresh, almond oil, and the vitamin C. I mixed everything together in a container. This is where I put it inside. It is inside this container. Let me even show you guys what it looks like. So guys, look at the color. It is kind of light pinkish in color. So this is what I mixed yesterday, because someone came to my DM and she was asking me how can she mix the lemon fresh lotion, and honestly I've not used this in a long time. So I told her to chill, let her chill, let me try it on my skin and let me see if it is going to work well on my skin before she goes ahead and start mixing it. Okay, so I had to like get the things and use them on my skin, and honestly it enters into the skin really, really well. Like this lemon fresh, I remember when I used to use it, then it didn't cause me any stretch mark, any green vein. It is just a normal cream. It's just going to maintain your color. So I'm currently using it now, and I'm going to use it for 30 days. After 30 days, I'll give you guys my review on it. Okay, another thing you can use is Neutrogena body oil. Neutrogena body oil is also very good. If you don't want to use the oil like that, you can add Moroccan argan oil. I keep saying Moroccan argan oil because honestly, this is the only oil I have ever used, and it is nice. This Moroccan argan oil and carrots, pure flawless carrot oil, those two oils are really good. You can add it to your oils, shake it anytime you want to use it, add a little bit of tea tree oil to it, shake it whenever you want to use it, and rub it on your skin morning and night. Stay away from the sun. If you don't have sunscreen, don't worry, I got you. If you don't have sunscreen, just get umbrella and use umbrella. Like, it is that simple. Before I even got a sunscreen, before I could afford a sunscreen, that was what I was using. I was using umbrella, or I wear face cap and go out. So that was what and I was always wearing long sleeve whenever the sun is hot. That was just what I was doing to like prevent my skin from the sun. Okay, so another thing you can use is the Neutrogena body oil, and the third oil you can use is the Veet gold oil. There are so many kind of Veet gold oil. There's the one that is cinnamon oil, the lemon oil, there is one that is multivitamin oil. There are different kinds. I'm going to put the pictures on the screen. You can use any of these oils to also maintain your color. You can just mix I keep saying you can mix Moroccan argan oil inside the oil, shake it whenever you want to use it, and rub it on your skin. Guys, I don't mix body oils. Like, I don't have enough experience. So if you want to know more about all this mixing of creams and mixing of oils, like, I've not started doing it on my channel, but you can check other people's channel. Like, they've done this mixing and you can see the one that you can use. But honestly, I don't have any idea on how to mix tube inside cream, or how to mix so many things. I don't have an idea on how to mix. If you want to know more on mixing, you can check other people's channel, because other skincare YouTubers have done a lot of videos on mixing, so you can check their channels. But for my channel, I've not started talking about mixing yet. Once I gather enough experience, I would tell you guys what you can use, because I don't want to destroy anybody's skin. I don't want to be in trouble. Let me tell you guys one hack that you can use to glow your skin. If you have palm kernel oil, this is palm kernel oil. If you have palm kernel oil and you have camwood, mix your camwood with your palm kernel oil, mix it together and shake it. After shaking it, put it on your palm, rub it all over your body, from head, yes, from your face to your toes. Rub it all over your body and stay for 30 minutes. Let the palm kernel oil and the camwood work on your skin for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go into the bathroom and shower. Like, shower, use this thing to scrub your skin. And after scrubbing, carry your maintenance cream or your maintenance oil and rub it on your body and go and sleep. If you can do this camwood and palm kernel oil cleansing every week, like if you can do it once a week, you are going to see that your skin is going to glow. Because people sleep on palm kernel oil. We just think that palm kernel oil is something that people in the village use. Palm kernel oil is really, really good on the skin, guys. Like, we sleep on it a lot. We feel like it is not worthy to be among oils. We don't even talk about it. But this oil heals the skin. Like, it is an healing oil. I can testify to it, because this was what I was using before I started using sunflower oil or any of those things. This is what I was using last year, beginning of last year. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.